everything looks good in our Note app except for the Details app page itself. So we need to customize some stuff here. So let's get back to the code editor here. I'm going to go to notes_detail.html, and here we're going to get rid of these items and get rid of these items here. So we're going to say extend base.html, and then we're going to load static and say load static. Okay, and then we can specify much details. So I'm going to change this to HTML. Okay, so it's a div.row, it's a div.call md6, and then actually I'm going to call this as justify content center. Okay, and inside this we're going to say div.card, div.card header, and here we'll say note details. Okay, so I'm going to say div.card body, and here we can specify the list of items. For example, I want to specify a h1 tag, say font size, I want it to be 5, and then we can specify title dot title. Okay, and then next we can specify the note dot text, the complete text over here. Okay, let's save that, and now I can get rid of this one. Now actually we need to load the block content, so I'll say block content, and I'm going to make this one, just cut this and paste it here. Okay, so save that. Okay, so let's get back to the browser. As it refresh, you can see that our node details page looks pretty good now.